Hey everyone! Imagine you're driving and suddenly your transmission isn't shifting properly. Maybe it's stuck in one gear or jerking between shifts. You scan your car and see code P0995 pop up. This means there's an issue with the shift solenoid J's control circuit high, which can lead to serious transmission problems if left unchecked. In this video, I'll break down what P0995 means, where the key sensors are located and how you can fix it. Let's dive in. What is DTC P0995? DTC P0995 stands for Shift Solenoid G Control Circuit High. Your car's transmission control module, TCM, controls shift solenoids, which help regulate hydraulic pressure for smooth shifting. If the circuit voltage is too high, the solenoid might malfunction, causing shifting issues or limp mode activation. Symptoms of P0995. If your car has this code, you might notice hard or delayed shifting stuck in one gear, limp mode, unusual transmission slipping, check engine light or transmission warning, light decreased fuel efficiency, sensor and component locations, very important. To diagnose and fix P0995, check these key components. Shift solenoid. Location, inside the transmission valve body, beneath the transmission fluid pan. Function, regulates hydraulic pressure for smooth shifting. Transmission control module, TCM, location, mounted on the transmission case or sometimes under the dashboard. Function, sends voltage to shift solenoids to manage gear changes. Transmission fluid pressure sensor location, on the side of the transmission near hydraulic lines. Function, measures fluid pressure to ensure smooth shifting. Shift solenoid wiring and connectors location, runs between the TCM and the shift solenoids inside the transmission. Function, carries electrical signals for proper solenoid operation. What causes P0995? Possible reasons include 1. Faulty shift solenoid J, stuck open, causing high voltage readings. 2. Wiring issues, short circuits or damaged wiring in the solenoid circuit. 3. Malfunctioning TCM, sending excessive voltage to the solenoid. 4. Dirty or low transmission fluid, affecting hydraulic pressure and solenoid function. 5. Faulty transmission fluid pressure sensor, incorrectly detecting pressure changes. How to fix P0995. Step 1. Check transmission fluid. Make sure it's clean and at the correct level. Old or contaminated fluid can cause solenoid issues. Step 2. Inspect wiring and connectors. Look for corroded, frayed, or shorted wires in the solenoid circuit. Step 3. Test shift solenoid J. Remove the transmission pan to access the solenoid. Use a multimeter to check resistance. Should be between 3-10 ohms. Replace the solenoid if readings are out of range. Step 4. Check the TCM, transmission control module. Scan for other transmission codes that could indicate TCM failure. If necessary, reprogram or replace the TCM. Step 5. Clear the code and test drive. Use an OBD-II scanner to reset the code. Drive for 10-15 miles to ensure the issue is resolved. Final words. If you see P0995, your shift solenoid J control circuit is detecting high voltage, which can lead to serious shifting problems. Fixing it early can prevent costly transmission damage. For more troubleshooting, check out these videos. P0857, transmission fluid, pressure sensor switch F circuit low. P0858, transmission fluid, pressure sensor switch F circuit high. This is IG Garage, your go-to place for car diagnostics. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.